Imagine wading through an overwhelming sea of data. Every day, businesses produce vast amounts of information. Unfortunately, without a unified analytics system, valuable insights often get lost. This leads to slow analyses and missed opportunities. Manual processes and outdated systems make things worse. They introduce errors and inconsistencies, resulting in inaccurate reports. Here's where AI automation steps in. It can smooth out these bumps, transforming fragmented tasks into streamlined workflows. AI agents are crucial in the analytics lifecycle. They work through discovery, ingestion, and preparation phases. For example, they handle repetitive tasks. This allows analysts to focus on what really matters: strategic decision-making. Central orchestration engines integrate all components. This coordination helps teams scale quickly and adapt to changes. But what specific capabilities do these AI agents offer? First, discovery agents catalog data sources. Next, ingestion agents ensure raw data flows smoothly into analytics platforms. Preparation agents then cleanse this data, identifying any anomalies and enforcing quality standards. Feature engineering agents transform this data into insights that aid predictive modeling. During predictive analytics, AI agents select the best algorithms and optimize them for peak performance. After that, validation agents benchmark these models to ensure they're reliable. Once validated, organizations can use prescriptive analytics. Simulation agents evaluate different scenarios. Optimization agents then create actionable strategies based on those insights. Narrative agents summarize the findings in clear reports. They translate complex data into simple recommendations for stakeholders. Finally, deployment mechanisms integrate these solutions into existing workflows. But the analysis doesn't stop at deployment. Continuous monitoring plays a vital role. Feedback loops track performance and identify issues. They ensure models stay relevant as conditions evolve. In summary, AI agents streamline the journey from raw data to actionable insights. This transformation enables businesses to make quick, informed decisions. It's not just about technology. It's a new era for data analysis that paves the way for innovation. Want to learn how your organization can leverage AI for analytics? Click the links below to dive deeper into this revolution. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.